Hello guys, this is Aryan and in this video I'll be sharing 10 lines essay about the honesty. Number 1. Honesty means telling the truth and being fair. Number 2. Being honest builds trust. Number 3. It is important to be honest. Number 4. Being honest shows good character. Number 5. Honesty leads to strong relationships. Number 6. Honesty is the best policy. Number 7. Honest people admit their mistakes. Number 8. Honest people are trustworthy. Number 9. Honesty creates a positive environment. Number 10. Being honest makes the world a better place. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, kindly subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Thank you.